Everyone, this is my task 2.2b of object oriented programming. In this task, there are I have made two classes basically. The first class is the account, which acts as a blueprint for the bank account. It stores two private pieces of information, that is, the account's name and their balance. By making these private, we ensure that no one can directly change them from outside the class. This is the concept of encapsulation in object oriented programming. The account class has three methods. The deposits adds the money to the balance. The withdraw method deducts money, and the print method displays the account details. Both deposit and withdraw have built-in validation. For example, if someone tries to deposit a negative amount, the method throws an argument exception. If someone tries to withdraw more than the available balance, it shows an invalid operation exception. This makes the class responsible for protecting its own data. The second class is here test account, which contains our main method where all everything is running here. This The program starts by asking user to enter their name and initial balance. This is wrapped by try catch block inside a while loop. So if the user tries letter instead of number, a format exception is caught, and they are like asked to try again. If they leave their name empty or enter a negative balance, an argument exception is caught. The loop keeps running until the valid input is provided and the count is created. So after that, once the count is set up, the user presented with an interactive menu with four options: deposit, withdraw, view, balance, and exit. Each transaction is again wrapped by try-catch block to handle invalid inputs or failed operations gracefully, displaying helpful error messages rather than crashing the program. The main aim is to always try to not to crash the program, rather give feedbacks and try to execute the program. So now we'll go to the terminal and try to run this file. So we can see that the program is compiling and it has successfully compiled. I'll enter my name, Tejas. Let's suppose our initial balance is 50,000. So we can see that here the account has been successfully created. And if now I'll choose deposit and I try to enter hello here. So we can see that our try catch is basically running successful and it is throwing an exception error, invalid input, please enter a valid amount. So basically we'll try one more thing. If I try to enter 0, so again it shows an error, deposit amount must be greater than 0. That's exactly how it should work. And if I go to withdraw option and our balance was 50,000, so I try to withdraw 60,000. So basically it shows transaction failed, insufficient balance available is 50,000. And if I don't choose an option, basically I again type hello here, it will show an invalid error, please enter a number between 1 and 4. That's exactly how it is working. And it will obviously take all the inputs which is required. So basically I can withdraw my money like 40,000 if I withdraw. So 40,000 is withdrawing and the balance should be 10,000, and we can see that the balance is 10,000, and we'll exit the program. Thank you.